Hey guys, it's Adrian once again. Another powerful, strong video. I want to show you in this video, guys, how you can make $100 a day passive income that multiply every day like that, guys. In this video, for free. You know words that I want you to remember in your spirit, for free. Because I'm going to give you this system for 14 days for free, guys. And I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you could promote this business by giving to people for free. 10 people a day, guys. Give them something for free. 4 people upgrade, that's $100 a day. The next day, 4 people upgrade, that's another $100 a day. So I'm going to show you guys for free what you can do. Stop playing checkers and start playing chess. All right, guys. So let's go with this video real quick. All right. First way you can promote a free business for 14 days, and they get all the training, everything they need to make money, is your personal Facebook page, guys. This is my personal Facebook page. I don't do it too much on my page, but I teach people different ways how to make money, songs, and of course my food. You know what I mean? I love my crab legs right there. You can see, say right there, I love my crab legs. All right. Second way you can do it is advertise in Facebook groups. These is groups right here, guys. This is one group I'm part of. Advertise your. Okay. The third way you can do is make YouTube videos to make the $100 a day with my business that you gonna need, guys. See all the videos I've been making on your business. So that's 1, 2, 3. Okay. The fourth way, guys, free, is traffic ad bar, guys. I got over 4,633 hits. Part of the Conversion Pros, guys. This is a marketing system that I've been in for like about 2 or 3 years, guys. And I love it. But if you want the Conversion Pros training videos to how to make money as affiliate training, watch these videos, guys. And we got a lot more videos. In this video, I want to tell you this, guys. You give 10 people a day a free marketing system that have an autoresponder, broadcasting, all unlimited, guys. Link rotator, tiny URL, everything that a business need and more, guys. Leads in the back office that you can buy, guys, and call these people that's looking for business. Everything you need in your back office, right? Now, this marketing system is free for 14 days. So try it out. You have nothing to lose but to win. If you don't like it, then don't pay for it, guys. But at the end of the day, if you want to save money, especially with this corona stuff going on right now, if you want to save money and have all your marketing system, everything you need, you don't gotta buy separate. You need this Conversion Pros. Now after 14 days, it'll cost $50 a month. But guess what? You get 2 people in this business, it's free. You got a free marketing system, guys. Who say no to free? It's 14 days free. No credit card required, guys. So I want to end this video with this, guys. I just showed you 5 different ways how to get people in for free. You can also have pay ways. So if you want this marketing system, guys, make sure you subscribe to my video. Yeah. And I am out. Peace and love from your boy Adrian Ramsey. Love.